In the world of kitchen appliances, there are few that can truly combine versatility, convenience, and innovation, like the Crockpot Programmable 7-Quart Cook and Carry Slow Cooker with Sous Vide. If you're someone who loves to experiment with flavors and textures, or just enjoys creating perfect, restaurant-quality meals at home, then this is the slow cooker you need. With its sleek stainless steel design and cutting-edge features, the Crockpot has taken slow cooking to a whole new level. Why choose the Crockpot 7-Quart Slow Cooker with Sous Vide? The Crockpot Slow Cooker with Sous Vide offers something that traditional slow cookers can't: precision cooking that brings your meals to perfection. If you've ever wondered how chefs to create such juicy, tender meats with perfect doneness every time, the secret is sous vide. Now, you can bring that same level of precision cooking right into your own kitchen. Here's why you should seriously consider this innovative product. Sous vide technology for perfect cooking. One of the standout features of this Crockpot slow cooker is the sous vide functionality. Sous vide cooking involves placing your food in a vacuum-sealed bag and immersing it in a water bath, which is precisely heated to a specific temperature. This technique ensures that food is cooked evenly and retains its natural juices and flavors. Whether you're preparing meats, fish, or vegetables, the sous vide function delivers exceptional, restaurant-quality results every time. No more guesswork when it comes to cooking times or temperatures. The removable temperature probe ensures your food reaches the perfect internal temperature, so you never have to worry about overcooking or undercooking your meals. It's all about precision cooking, and this slow cooker has mastered it. With a 7-quart capacity, this slow cooker is designed to handle larger cuts of meat and cook meals for the whole family. Whether you're making a roast for Sunday dinner or preparing a big batch of soup, this slow cooker has the space you need to feed everyone. We've all been there. You've prepared a delicious meal, but it's not quite time to eat yet. The keep warm setting on the Crock-Pot ensures your food stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. This is especially handy for busy households where mealtimes might not always line up. Whether you're taking your meal to a potluck, family gathering, or tailgate, the cook and carry locking lid is an absolute game changer. This lid locks securely in place, preventing any spills or leaks during transport. You can rest assured that your food will stay contained, making this slow cooker perfect for people who are always on the go. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable stoneware that's both dishwasher safe and oven safe. After you've served your perfect meal, simply remove the stoneware and clean it in the dishwasher. No mess, no hassle. Plus, if you need to finish off your meal with a quick browning or searing, the stoneware is oven safe too. How does the sous vide function work? If you're new to sous vide cooking, here's a quick breakdown. Sous vide uses a low and slow cooking method in which food is placed in an airtight bag and submerged in a precisely heated water bath. This slow cooker allows you to achieve the same results that sous vide machines are known for: juicy, tender, and perfectly cooked food that's infused with all its natural flavors. It's a foolproof way to cook everything from meats to fish and even vegetables. Once your food reaches the desired temperature, you can quickly finish it off with a quick sear on the stovetop to add that signature caramelized exterior. The result? A meal that's perfectly cooked inside and out every time. Why this Crock-Pot is a must-have for your kitchen. Whether you're an experienced chef or just someone who enjoys making home-cooked meals, the Crock-Pot Slow Cooker with Sous Vide elevates your cooking to new heights. The versatility of both slow cooking and sous vide cooking makes it a must-have for anyone looking to make their kitchen experience easier and more enjoyable. Plus, with the added convenience of a locking lid for transport and dishwasher-safe components, this slow cooker is designed with your busy lifestyle in mind. Conclusion: should you buy the Crockpot 7-Quart Slow Cooker with Sous Vide? If you're ready to transform your meals and impress your family and friends with chef-level cooking, the Crockpot 7-Quart Slow Cooker with Sous Vide is a fantastic investment. The combination of slow cooking and precision sous vide techniques means you get the best of both worlds: convenience and unbeatable cooking results. Plus, the cook and carry locking lid and dishwasher-safe stoneware make it even more convenient. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.